What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we got some Cusco brace going on the STI. It's supposed to help tighten up the drape fan and help with the response on the throttle and everything, and put more power to the ground. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this does. I already have some other parts on here. Shoot, I guess I'll show you when I jack it up. Alright, now I got on jack stands. Bruh, I be forgetting, man. This car's kind of low, so like, I can't even jack it up that high, bro. The bumper comes off. Bruh. But anyways, this is what we're going to be replacing today. This diff carrier brace. Obviously, the stock one is a little bit thinner, and it's got like softer bushing just to keep everything quiet and keep vibrations low. So do a little unboxing quick. Of course, they got the little sticker and official manufacturer, I guess, barcode or something. I don't know. But there's a lot of like genuine Japanese like parts. Be having like little serial numbers and stuff. Like my bride seats came with stuff like this, so it's pretty sick. I'm gonna add it to my little drawer with all the barcodes for different parts, I guess. Alright guys, I believe this is a 14 or 17, bruh. 17 bolts. Nut and bolt. Hopefully this is easy to take off. Power tools still. I'm gonna do this other side because it's freaking exhaust, bro. I did not think about this. Oh, bro. Bitch lady. Yeah, boy. God dang, boy. Sheesh. Hopefully it's not hard to pick back, bro. Oh, diff is about to fall down. There we go. Hey. You kind of see how much thicker the Cusco one is, reinforced. I want to say they're like the same weight. I don't know. Similar weight. Actually, looks better. I wonder if you'll be able to see it underneath. I doubt it, but not too shabby. Also, it came with these washers. To be honest, I don't really know where it goes. I think it goes like right here. Cause maybe this is lower or something. I have no idea, bro. Who knows? But I guess I'll figure it out. Okay, let's get to it. So this is about to be a pretty interesting way to film. Or try to film it, I guess. Mine's right here, bro. Money. I like it. I like it a lot. Tape these on there. Bruh, the things I do, man. Missing ghetto, but hey, if all that work, you feel me? Whoever took my car apart and they see this, they're gonna be like, bro, what are you doing? What is this for? But, hey,
fuck it.
Actually went in like a lot easier than I thought it would. That was kind of hard to put in, but alright, y'all, it's up there. Didn't really take too long. Probably like a good 30-minute install. But yeah, that's it. I guess I'll go for a drive and see if there's much difference. The ease alone made like a solid difference. So I'm curious if these will even do anything. We'll see. I also have a transmission mount, solid transmission mount, and short throw, carboy short throw shifter, and rear shift bushing, or front shift. I got the whole kit, alright? And yeah, I guess we'll see. little test drive, my little spot. First impressions, I feel like it rolls a lot better, like off of like first and second gear. Like it wants to keep going, like everything feels more tight. The exhaust sounds different too. It's kind of weird, but it's rolling a whole lot better. I could tell with more horsepower, this thing's gonna really spin. Install pretty easy. Honestly, if I wasn't recording, I probably could have did it in like 20 minutes. But yeah, all of these little pieces for the drivetrain, I think they're worth it, man. Cause I don't know why, but before I did all this stuff, like it would feel like with all the torque, it would feel like a real bad turbo lag, because everything's spinning, and once everything kind of tightens up after the throttle, it freaking it feels like whiplash kind of in a way. So after I did all this, everything is smoother, but I can still feel like the torque, so it's nice. I feel like I get up to speed real fast and easy. So I'm kind of glad I did it when I did it. I was gonna do it with the headers, because I bought some headers. I'm gonna try to put them on the next video. Yeah, supposedly it's a little experiment. I got them for a good deal. Supposedly the headers are supposed to make a difference horsepower wise. We will see. I didn't want to pay like $1,000 for some headers and it felt like I lost my turbo spool, because the turbo is like spools up pretty fast on this thing, the way everything's set up, like the exhaust and all that. So I'm kind of skeptical, but for the deal I got, gonna pass it up. So we will see, man. Right now I'm getting it coated, ceramic coated, so I don't even know if that's gonna make a difference, but I'm just doing it just to kind of do things, I guess, once, because I don't want to take it off later and be like, man, I need to coat these. I don't know how it's gonna do with the radiator and the under tray, so figured why not get it ceramic coated while it's still off the car instead of taking it back off. So we'll see, man. But yeah, still waiting on the roll cage. And what else? I think that's it for now. But yeah, man, it's freaking hard trying to do these videos. Making them and whatnot. It's still fun, like once you're done, but sheesh, trying to have an idea and planning them out is pretty tough, but I'm sure it'll come with more practice. Still trying to find a little spot, you know, so we'll see. But yeah, if you made it this far, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for commenting, liking, and subscribing on my channel. I appreciate all the love. Hopefully, I've been wanting to do, because I know people have a lot of questions on these, on a lot of my parts. I haven't really answered them yet, because I planned on making a video, but I just haven't done it yet. I wanted to make a good video out of it, so that's why I haven't really been commenting on certain things. But soon though, for sure, soon. But yeah, appreciate the love, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.